Leo from Hollywood, Florida has questions about roofing choices.
Yeah, he's looking at changing his. Here, take a look. This is his, I guess, an aerial view of his house here. And Leo writes, I'm re-roofing from a clay tile roof to an asphalt architectural tiles. I don't think you get the energy savings that justify a new tile or metal roof. I'm also adding continuous soffit vents. I'm going to have the soffits and the stucco. Is there anything else I should consider, Tom?
Well, first off, a roof is not energy efficient. I mean, if you need a radiant barrier, that would be something very beneficial in Hollywood, Florida, no doubt about it. If you don't have one, that would be a big boost to you. Decent insulation, good quality air conditioning system, that's your energy package right there. A roof is to keep the rain out of the house. And so you don't buy a roof because it's energy efficient. You buy a roof because it's going to last a long time and weather the storms. And so that's the attitude I want him to have, because people are always trying to find a way to buy something but justify it as being energy efficient when that's not the job that's supposed to do. Every part of a house has a different job to do. A roof is an important one of the main three, as far as I'm concerned, because it protects everything under it. So it has to hold up to the weather and for a long period of time, because it's not cheap to change a roof.
Well, especially if he's going to go from tile to these asphalt architectural tiles. I mean,
well, and in Florida, because I was a contractor there for years, licensed in Florida, I can tell you prices because of the strict regulations that they have in Florida for all contractors is always going to make the price higher. So you want to get as much as you can out of that roof when you pay that kind of money.
But isn't a tile roof almost a permanent roof? Why would you have to replace a tile roof?
I don't know. I can't ask him. So that's why I know we do this, but it's so much better when people call me on the show.
That's it.
Because I can banter back and forth and I can get a more complete answer, because that's a great question you just asked. I don't think he should replace it either. I don't know why he's doing it. Energy efficiency, I hope, is not the reason, because I'm telling him right now, don't do it at all.
There you go. All right, Tom can help you out. Like he says, you listen to him on the radio. In case you don't know, if you visit HomeShowRadio.com, click on the listen button. You can listen live. He's on the air every Saturday and Sunday from 9 a.m. to noon Central Time on Saturday, and from 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. on Sunday Central Time. Right there, listen to it on our stream at HomeShowRadio.com. And you want a question answered, click on the Ask Tom button. We'll fill out that form, send it in, and we'll fill out a video and post it for you right here on our website.